I'm about to talk about the worst pro-black pedo or supposed worst pro-black pedo since Nature Boy. Now this is Poppy got butt raped by African Ben Bottom. Too much Ben Bottom in his bottom. Poppy, who of course have a history of talking about fucking raping kids or at least abusing kids. And Tommy warned us about this.
Run behind me. He better worry about the people that love me. I don't even have to touch you, homie. I don't have to.
Oh yeah, and when he says "run behind me," I was thinking about making a fucking crude, disgusting joke about his homies literally running behind him and behind and behind and behind him for a while, but no.
Touch you. I could sit right in where I'm sitting at right now and make a video, and your ass would disappear. It's just that simple. I don't bite my motherfucking time. Tommy, you pussy.
We're all sitting behind the video making Tommy disappear, or at least his haters with all the fucking flagging that's happening.
And the sad part about it is, every time your daughter look on the internet, see,
how come he had to mention his daughter?
Every time Tommy Sotomayor
look
on the internet, she gonna look at a man that can't even
or Mayor.
His daughter. If I decided to walk up to his daughter and take her $10 bill, that bitch ass nigga couldn't do nothing.
Wow, so he's talking about stealing literally from a baby. Damn. Now, this is not the only time Poppy talks about abusing kids.
Nothing. If I walked up on your daughter, which I would never do, and snatched her bag of potato chips, nigga, you couldn't even defend her. That's the definition of a sucker.
And I have to give Tommy credit. He doesn't call out his daughter, or at least say that he wanted to harm his daughter. Like, that's some noble shit.
He said, let me find your motherfucking son.
Whoa. He went from sons to daughters, you know, kind of like African Ben Bottom.
Let me find your son or your daughter, and let me catch them at 12 years old. And when I stick heavy dick.
Whoa. Damn. This is some Nature Boy shit right here. Jesus Christ.
That little 12, 13-year-old little bitch.
Oh.
Just understand.
Wow.
The victim. When I fuck your 12-year-old son, 13-year-old son.
He's literally talking about raping kids. You know, a lot of rapists were raped when they were little, so they're kind of already messed up. Kind of like how abused dogs abused others. So it would make sense that this guy low-key pedoing along, you know.
Then run through your family and fuck all the other children in your family.
Jesus.
All of them. How it sound to you? Me getting some oral sex.
Jesus Christ.
From little Kevin.
Damn.
How that sound?
And I guess he was pausing to think about it, like, he either did a good pause or a bad pause, but either pause when he's putting it on the kids are bad. Like, Jesus Christ.
You fucking little Kevy Kev. I got some Vaseline. It ain't a problem, Kev.
Oh yeah, he learned from Ice Cube to make sure there's no Vaseline, or at least he learned to be the anti-Ice Cube and bring Vaseline.
Sound right? You ain't a victim. Well, let me get your little nigga. Let me get that little bastard. And some of us gonna have to get rid of some of our children too.
Hell, we should get rid of your children, or at least give them to a close related person, or somebody who's either closely related, like your grandmother, or fucking, hey, baby mama, I don't know. Get them off your house, or get them away from your house.
Because we got this generation of little bastards that's waking up. And all they want to do is do what young Pharaoh mama did to his bitch ass.
Whoa.
Abandon him.
Damn. Smash and dash?
Well, I tell you what. He's there. Let me find your motherfucking son. Right? Let me find your son or your daughter. And let me catch them at 12 years old.
Whoa.
And when I stick heavy dick.
Jesus Christ.
12, 13-year-old little bitch.
Oh man, that's probably going to leave her barren for like her whole life. It's probably going, I mean, Jesus Christ. And this guy is fat as hell. Probably going to fucking crush her under that fucking weight.
Just understand, she ain't a victim. When I fuck your 12-year-old son.
She's mature for her age.
And then, all of them. How it sound to you? Me getting some oral sex.
Jesus.
From little Kev.
Gosh. Okay, so this guy, Poppy, he's exposed as the worst, questionably pro-black pedophile since Nature Boy. You heard about Nature Boy? Yeah. So hey, please like, subscribe, share this video. And remember, don't let Poppy next to the kids. You know, he's pretty damn sick. Just, oh gosh, disgusting, man. Freaking gross. Poppy. Yeah, fucking disgusting.